Today we're going to learn about addition of polynomials. Combine like terms to simplify expression. Adding polynomials is a lot easier than it looks. All you have to do is identify the like terms and add them together. In this first problem, we'll solve it using the distributive property. As we can see, each term in the expression has x squared in it. So we can rewrite this equation as 7 plus 3 minus 4 multiplied by x squared. We're simply extracting the x squared from each term and rewriting it using the distributive property. If you were to add the values inside the first parentheses, we'd get 7 plus 3 minus 4, which is 6. And we'd have 6 times x squared, and this is going to be equal to 6x squared. So this is our simplified expression from what we started with. Now, there's actually an easier way to do this. It still involves regrouping and combining like terms. In the second problem, we have 4x to the fifth plus 6x plus 2x to the fifth minus x. Now, two of our terms have x to the fifth power. The other two terms have x to the first power. So by grouping 4x to the fifth and 2x to the fifth, it makes our expression more organized. So this expression up here is actually the same as this expression. Now we could use the distributive property to simplify the expression, but an easier way is by just adding up the coefficients. So we have 4 and 2 here, and if we add them together, we get 6. Because they both have x to the fifth, we can just plug that on at the end. So that's our first parentheses. And the second one is the same idea. 6x minus x, we know that's 5x. 6x minus x, or 6x minus 1x. 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is going to be 5x. And so this is our simplified expression. Finally, let's try this last one. This last one, we have 3 separate like terms. We have the y cubed here, we have the y squared here, and we have the y here, and then we have the constants. So let's do this step by step. 3y cubed plus 6y cubed. So that covers the cubed. Then we have plus 5y squared minus 4y squared. So that covers the squared. And then we have minus 10y. And then we have minus 10 plus 4. So this first part, 3y cubed plus 6y cubed, that's 9y cubed. 5y squared minus 4y squared, that's going to be y squared. 5 minus 4 is 1. And then we have minus 10y, and then we have minus 10 plus 4, which is just minus 6. So this is our final simplified expression.